Today, we're strapping ourselves into the cockpit of the 2024 McLaren 750S, a machine that blurs the line between supercar and fighter jet. Buckle up, because this review is about to take off. First impressions matter, and the 750S doesn't disappoint. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic curves scream speed. The carbon fiber bodywork? It's like McLaren's designers borrowed a page from an F-22 Raptor's playbook. And those dihedral doors? Pure drama. You'll feel like Maverick sliding into the cockpit. Under the hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, churning out an earth-shaking 740 horsepower. 0 to 60? Blink, and you're there. 2.7 seconds flat. The exhaust note? It's not just music. It's a symphony of controlled chaos. And the handling? Well, let's just say it sticks to the road like Velcro on steroids. And when it comes to stopping power, the 750S is as impressive as its acceleration. Carbon ceramic brakes haul this beast back from warp speed with unwavering control. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather, McLaren knows how to pamper its pilots. The infotainment system? Intuitive, responsive, and loaded with features. And the driving modes? From comfort to track, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for road conditions. Now, let's talk numbers. The 750S starts at $324,000 for the coupe and $345,000 for the Spider. Is it worth it? Well, that depends. Would you choose it over the Ferrari 296 or the Lamborghini Huracan? Let's quickly compare the three. Performance is king in the supercar world, and these three beasts are no slouches. The Ferrari boasts a hybrid powertrain with impressive acceleration, the Huracan roars with a naturally aspirated V10, and the McLaren slices through corners with its lightweight agility. But performance isn't everything. Let's talk about the experience behind the wheel. The Ferrari offers a blend of power and efficiency, the Lamborghini delivers a visceral connection to the road, and the McLaren prioritizes driver precision and feedback. The choice ultimately comes down to personal preference. But one thing's for sure, McLaren has created a beast that demands respect. As the sun sets on our review, the McLaren 750S leaves an indelible mark. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a declaration of speed, precision, and unbridled passion. So would I take it over its rivals? Well, let's just say I choose the 750S like a fighter pilot chooses their wingman, with unwavering confidence. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow speed enthusiasts. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the revs up. This is the Straight Pipes signing off.